Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah. I make a lot of special effects tutorials, mostly around Halloween time, some beauty tutorials, and a little bit of DIY in between. For today's video, I kind of want to go in the way of a pastel direction, seeing as how it is Easter pretty soon. So it definitely is rainbow, but it is as well pastel. So if you guys want to know how I did this, then just keep watching. As if this even needs an introduction at this point, but the NYX Triple Eye Pencil and milk all over my lid and then blend it out with my finger. For my crease, I'm just going in with a color that's very close to my skin tone. In my case, $1 by Geek. And getting into the Pastel Goth palette by Kat Von D. I've already done my one eye, but my other eye I'm going in with Gloom in my inner corner, followed by Doom. And lastly, Dope. Using what's left on my blending brush, I'm going to blend those better together. Better together, get it? Because Kat Von D. Anyways, they ended up not being as pigmented as I wanted them to be after I blended them out, so I came back in with a packing brush and the colors to add more saturation to the look. Which also gives me the opportunity to inform you that I've used Star on my other eye's inner corner, followed with Clementine, and lastly Love Plus from Sugarpill, as the palette does not have a red shade, unfortunately. Lined my waterline with my jumbo eye pencil once again and dragged it down to act as a base for my symmetry. I then dipped back into $1 with another blending brush and as well blended those two out. Also wanting to add a little bit more of a sparkly effect, I used a touch of Cherry's Jubilee from ColourPop on my inner corner with my finger and then blending that out slightly. Then added some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. As for my lip art though, once again I'm using my NYX Triple Eye Pencil and milk, but if you want this to be more permanent and to last a little bit longer, because that's what permanent means, Sarah, you could opt for a Drug Lord from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, which I'm going to be using later on anyway. Follow that up with all the colors from the Pastel Goth palette, again, Doom and Gloom, and now I kind of feel like I'm starting to sing along to the Fairly Odd Parents theme song. Doom and gloom up in his room, cause his magical girl Fisher granted every wish, cause in reality... Anyways, Dope, Clementine, Star, and finishing up with, again, Cherry's Jubilee. For the dots, I'm literally just using a dotting tool. These are usually used for nail art, but can definitely be used for this as well. And dot wherever your little heart desires. The world is your makeup oyster. Now, just watch me do this for 10 seconds, and you'll be done. If you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!